Hello friends, welcome you all. Today we are going to discuss about ASEAN Infrastructure Investment Bank. If you analyze the previous year question paper, I think the prelims 2019, there was a question about AIIB. See, recently ASEAN Infrastructure Investment Bank has said that it will be investing the US dollar of 5 billion in the next 2 years to finance 20 to 30 projects in India. Therefore, this topic plays very important. Let us see few important facts related to AIIB. See, the background is the AIIB began its operation in Beijing. That is, it is headquartered in Beijing. That is very important. Also, it commenced its operation in January 2016. One has to note that India is also one of the founding member, and there are 57 founding members. And also one has to note that this AIIB has so far invested in 21 projects in India amounting to US dollar of 5.5 billion, and this AIIB has received AAA ratings with a stable outlook from the top credit rating agencies such as Standard and Poor's and also Moody's and Fitch. One has to remember that in 2018, this AIIB was granted permanent observer status in the both United Nations General Assembly and as well as Economic and Social Council. See, this AIIB is a multilateral development bank with the mission to improve social and economic outcomes in Asia and beyond. And one has to note that right now there are one or three approved members, and this AIIB provides investment in sustainable infrastructures and other productive sectors in Asia and beyond. So this is very important facts related to that. In addition to that, it provides and facilitates financing to any members or any agencies or political divisions thereof or any entity or enterprises operations in the territory of a member, as well as to international or regional agencies or entities concerned with economic development of the Asia region. One has to note that this bank currently has 78 members as well as 24 prospective members from around the world. The starting capital of the bank was rupees, sorry, not a rupee, it's a dollar 100 billion, which is equivalent to two-thirds of the capital of the Asian Development Bank and about half of the World Bank. So these are the very important facts related to Asian Infrastructure Bank. See, one has to note that India, along with the 49 founding members, signed the article of the agreement of the formation of Asia Infrastructure Investment Bank in 2015. See, what is the aim? See, by investing in sustainable projects, that is infrastructure and other productive sectors today, it aims to connect people, services and market that over time with impact that lives of billion and build a better future. So this is the most important aim of this AIB. Who are the members? Just now we have discussed that there are more than 100 members now. See, in that 14 of the G20 nations are AIIB members, including France, Germany, Italy and United Kingdom. And one has to note that China is the largest shareholder with 26.61% voting shares in the bank, which is followed by India 7.6% and Russia 6.01% and Germany 4.2%. The regional members, see, this is very important point related to prelims perspective. The regional members hold 75% of the total voting powers in the bank. So this one has to remember related to prelims perspective. See, it has various organs, that is board of governors. This board of governor consists of one governor and one alternate governor appointed by each member country. This governors and alternate governor serves as the pleasure of the appointing member. So one has to remember these things. Then next is board of directors. That is non-resident board of directors is responsible for directions of banking general operations and also exercising all the powers delegated to it by the board of governors. And also IAP, one has to remember this also, International Advisory Panel. The bank has established an IAP to support president and senior management on the bank strategies and the policies as well as on the general operation issues. So these are the things one has to remember with respect to prelims perspective. And what are the other facts? See, just now we have discussed that India is a second largest shareholder after China, which means China is the largest shareholder of this AIB. See, this AIB also significant as the World Bank is continued to be dominated by the USA, whereas this ADB, Asian Development Bank, was dominated and influenced by the Japan. See, if you take this AIB, obviously China is the significant member. See, with these facts, we will solve some few questions related to AIB. See, which of the following statement is or are correct above AIB? The Singapore is founding member of AIB. China, India, Russia are the three largest shareholder of AIB. See, this second statement we have already discussed. See, what about statement number 1? Yes, this statement is also correct. China is also founding member of AIB. Therefore, answer for this question is both 1 and 2. Let us move on with the question number 2. Which of the following determines the voting share of AIB? Contribution of the country to the bank, authorized capital, purchasing power parity, and size of the country's economy. And each country will have one vote without veto power. This is wrong. And the straightforward answer is it is depends on the size of the country's economy. So with this, I am concluding this discussion. We will meet in the next class. Thank you. Have a good day.